Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Niaziati Bentin Jamaluddin, metric number 136656. I'm from School of Educational Studies. My course is Science Education. Today, I will talk about waste disposal incident. Have you ever wondered what exactly waste means? What is waste? According to the law concerning waste disposal and scavenging, waste disposal law, waste is defined as garbage, bulky waste, cinders, sludge, excreta, waste oil, waste acid, waste alkali, animal corpse, and other fields or useless things, all of which are liquid or solid. Radioactive materials and matter polluted by radioaction are excluded. Today, I will talk about first, types of waste, second, negative effect of improper rubbish removal, third, waste disposal incident in Malaysia, and fourth, prevention. First, types of waste. There are four types of waste. First, solid waste. Solid waste is any unwanted or discarded material that is not a liquid or gas. Second, liquid waste. Liquid waste defined as any waste material that are in liquid form. Third, sludge waste. Sludge is a semi-solid slurry that can be produced from a range of industrial processes, wastewater treatment, or on-site sanitation system. Fourth, gaseous waste. A gaseous waste is evolution of unwanted gas as a byproduct of some reaction. It could be from energy plants or industrial processes. Examples of solid waste are plastic bags, bottles, cans, vegetable peeling, wood, and papers. Examples for sludge waste are human feces, chemical from hospital, and chemical from factory. Examples of liquid waste are cooking oil, domestic washings, fats, grease, human and animal excreta, while gaseous waste examples are carbon dioxide, methane, oxides of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and chlorofluorocarbon. Second, negative effect of improper rubbish removal. There are 6 negative effects of improper rubbish removal. First, water contamination. When liquid waste or sludge dump into the water, they can cause an epidemic of disease such as cholera. Second, air pollution. Papers and plastics are burned in landfills while emitting gas and chemicals which can be harmful to people's health. Third, soil contamination. Waste that end up in landfills will excrete dangerous chemicals that leak into the soil such as carcinogen. They will affect plant growth, humans, and animals which are feeding on those plants. Fourth, it can kill marine life. Liquid waste can kill the aquatic life if they leak into the river or ocean. Marine life are at risk of poisoning due to the toxins in the oceans. Fifth, extreme climate change. Gases that rise to the atmosphere can also contribute to global warming because of greenhouse effect. Six, disease-carrying pests. Mosquitoes can carry disease such as malaria and dengue. They will breed in cans and tires that collect water. Third, waste disposal incidents in Malaysia. Johor toxic waste incidents. On the morning of 6 March 2019, around 20 to 40 tons of chemical waste believed to be from an illegal tire recycling plant in Kuala Johor was illegally dumped into parts of the Sungai Kim Kim, Pasir Gudang, Johor, Malaysia. Fire and rescue officials also identified at least 15 different types of chemicals, which included the colorless and extremely poisonous hydrogen cyanide, benzene, xylene, ethylbenzene, and dilimonene. On 7 March 2019, 35 people were sent to hospital after breathing in the gases, and most of them are students. Two schools near the site were closed. Emergency workers in protective hazmat suits were called in on 8 March 2019. Within a week, 2,775 people were reported to have required treatment at hospitals and clinics in various parts of Johor due to the toxic waste. Most of the victims who were affected are children. Due to this incident, 111 schools are closed. Victims tend to have various symptoms such as nausea, shortness of breath, and vomiting spells. The federal government has approved a one-off 8 million ringgit Malaysia allocation for clean-up works, adding to 6.4 million ringgit Malaysia being disbursed by state government and 1 million donation by the Sultan of Johor to clean up the consequences of that single lorry waste. President Ahmed Ismail told BBC News, the pollution has not only affected public health but also affected the rich river biodiversity of the Johor Straits. It has disturbed Sungai Kim Kim's ecosystem. These are the picture of Johor toxic waste incident. First is the picture of traces of poisonous chemicals are found in air samples. Second is the picture of emergency teams prepares clean-up material. Third is the picture of ecosystem that has been damaged by the pollution. And fourth is the picture of victims of Johor toxic waste incident. Fourth, prevention. How to prevent negative effect? First, we can reuse. Second, we can bury organic waste. Third, we can feed vegetable peelings to animals. And fourth, we can make compost of organic waste. Thank you for today. Bye.